Will you marry me?
No.
No? Don't you want to marry me?
I want to marry you, but I'm not ready for it yet.
You're not ready? Swara, we have been in a relationship for 4 years now. I've already told my family about you, and I told you that they want to meet you today. What do I tell them now?
Refuse them. Tell them that girl is not ready yet.
Hey, how can I say no? It was very difficult to convince them to meet you. Otherwise, they are after my arranged marriage. What do I tell them now?
Hey, what do I have to do? I don't know what to do, but right now I'm not ready for marriage. I just know this only.
Okay. You just meet them. Tell them that we love each other and we'll get married. For their satisfaction. And when we get married, when you will be ready. Okay?
Are you mad or what? I can't give anyone any false commitments.
False commitment? You don't want to marry me?
I want to marry, but I can't give you false commitment.
And why can't you?
I can't give, so means I can't give it, no? You have limits, yaar.
What are you saying, man? What do I tell my parents now? I somehow convinced my parents for this. They are after my arranged marriage, man. What will you do when they will get married me to somebody else?
If you're in so much hurry, so get married to someone else.
Do it. It won't make any difference to you if I get married to somebody else.
No, I don't have any problem with your arranged marriage. Swara, why are you saying like this? He's just asking you to do some acting, so do it now. And when you're ready for marriage, then you can do it. And what is the problem in getting married to Sanju? You won't find any other guy like him. You don't teach me if I will find a guy like him or not. I told you I'm not ready for marriage, so I'm not ready.
You just tell me what will I tell my parents?
Sanju, have your family seen Swara?
No, not yet. I was showing them the photo, but they've said that we'll see her face to face. That's why I called her to meet her today.
Fine. If this is about acting, so I will do it for now. Later on, you can see how can you convince your family. Swara, you don't have any problem, no? No, I don't have any problem. Fine, I'm ready.
Man, I wanted to introduce my future wife to my family.
Sanju, what is your problem? Introduce her right now, na? Later on, we will see what we have to do.
Swara, you are leaving me at the very wrong time.
I didn't leave you. And I can't do this forcefully. And till now, I was not leaving you, but I'm leaving you now.
What do you mean by that?
Means I'm leaving. You can do arranged marriage with your parents' choice, understood? Swara, what are you saying this? Do you even realize? Yes, I can realize. I have brain with me. Now you guys decide what you have to do. Swara, you here? Yes, I'm here. Come inside, na? What have you done? What I have done? You got married? Yes. In this whole world, you got my boyfriend only to get married. Your boyfriend? Yes, Sanju was my boyfriend, na? He was your boyfriend, Swara. And what kind of girlfriend you are? You left and went in front of me. You were not able to take any stand? Really? I left him and you holded his hand? I didn't hold his hand, Swara. When Sanju introduced me to his family, so they liked me so much and they told me get married and they were asking us date. So we were not able to understand. I took some time. I thought about this. Sanju was my very good friend and he was a very good partner when he was with you. I was not able to figure out anything. Then I spoke to Sanju. He proposed me for marriage and I said yes. Now it's been 3 months of our marriage. Everything is going great. And Sanju also got promotion now. Sanju?
Swara, what are you doing here?
Sanju, I'm back here.
What do you mean by you came back?
Means I realized I can't find any other guy like you. So many boys were behind me. I thought I will find another better option than you. But after meeting everyone, I came to know the kind of person you are. I won't be able to find that kind of person. Sanju, I made a big mistake. I realized my mistake. Please forgive me.
It's good that you realize your mistake. But now nothing can happen between us. Now, Riya is my life partner. I married her. And I am happier with her than I was ever with you.
Yeah, so I will keep you so happy. You give her divorce and marry me.
Is this a kind of joke or what? marry me, divorce her. When I wanted to marry you, you do not want to marry me. And now that I am married, you want me to divorce her. Swara, what you did that day was very right. If you had not left me that day, then I would never have met Ria. And if Ria had never come into my life, I would never have been known the meaning of true happiness and love. What I feel from being with Ria. And I always remember one line, and it feels great to remember it, that whatever happens, happens for the good. Whatever you did that day was for our good.
Sanju, she has trapped you.
Shut up. She is my wife, and I can't hear a word said against her. And you have said enough. Now get out of my house.
Sanju,
Please. You have come to my house today, but after today, don't even try to come to my house. Are you okay?
if you are with me, can something happen to me?
I'll never let anything happen to you.